Hey, what's up guys? Doobby Doo here. Today, we're gonna be making another 3D printed emoji. I got my 3D printer pen ready to go. Today, we're gonna be making something a little bit more sus. We're gonna be going for the eggplant emoji. So we're gonna see if we can print out a beautiful replica of an eggplant emoji, and we're gonna use a little bit different of a strategy this time. I've got my paper, I've got a pencil, I got some tape. We're gonna transfer this onto paper so that we can have a smooth surface to work on, and hopefully we can get a little bit better detailed eggplant out of that. If you've enjoyed the series, please hit the like button, subscribe, and comment down below what you'd like me to do next. That could be anything, not just an emoji, anything at all. Let me know, guys, and thanks for watching. Here we are with our eggplant, boom, traced out underneath the plate. We've got our colors right here. We are going to go, obviously, with eggplant purple. We're gonna go on the darker side. I thought about going lighter purple, but we're gonna go eggplant purple, and we're gonna go with this green here instead of that neon green. I haven't even tried this one out yet. Let's get her going. We'll fill it up with purple first. Okay, I got the green loaded up in there. I thought we should do green first since that's technically gonna be over the top of the purple, so since we're working in reverse order, I tried to go green first. Let's try to get this down as clean as we can. God damn. Maybe I'm just going too fast. All right, here we go. That might be the best one we got, even though the end of it was a little weird. I think it's all right. That might just be the best one we got. All right, I'm going to stick with that. Okay, we got there. Now, I don't know if we got enough to fill this without having to put more green in there, but oh, hell yeah, we do. Look at that. Sorry, I was focusing there to dump the green in. Successful green dump. Beautiful. Beautiful. There we go. That looks just like the top of an eggplant. It literally is identical to the top of an eggplant. Maybe we could fix the stem just a hair. Just like a little bit rounder and a little bit more like a stem. There we go. Okay, I like that. All right, let's get this green out of here and let's get the purple loaded up. We about to have ourselves an eggplant, baby. And we're back. We got the purple loaded up and we're ready to finish this glorious, glorious eggplant. I mean, what am I going to do with the eggplant? You don't want to know. Where am I going to put the eggplant? Wherever I can possibly fit it. That's right. All right. This one we get one try at if we're connecting to the green. So let's leave a little air gap and let's start down here. And then if we screw up, we're not like fully committed to loving it. Okay, I've already screwed up, so I'm glad I didn't fully commit because the commitment scares me. All right, let's get our top better. All right, here we go. Let's actually, can we just rotate this? I think if it was vertical, I would actually have an easier time of doing this. All right, here we go. Never be scared to just rotate, you know? There we go. We got a little rotation on. All right, here we go. Okay, now I can see better. So we're still going to go with the little gap at the top, just in case. And I'm just going to try to be as straight as I can. Which generally for me is pretty easy unless Rohobu is around. And we're just keeping straight. I'm keeping one eye shut. We're all the way up. Boom. And I connected it because I was so happy with that line. I was not happy, however, with that line. So let's pull that right off of there. Get off. All right, that I was not happy with. So let's get rid of that. Let's get our eggplant. We're all tangled up in little strings. Get these dealt with. Sometimes you got to get them off of you. They can start messing you up a little bit. Look at, I'm covered in like spider webs. Okay. There we go. There we go. All right. There's the outline done. We no longer need the paper. Now, how are we going to best fill this guy? I don't know, but we're going to start up here near the green. And we're going to try to keep it... when you fill, you want to try to keep it obviously as flat and as like putting stuff straight to the surface as you can to try to alleviate any cracks forming. Especially when you're doing something like this, where you want a nice as flat surface as I can get on the other side so that it looks like a cohesive piece. So I'm going to just work my way into all these little ledges first. I'm going to try to get in all the cracks. We're going to try to not leave any like loose gaps open, so that hopefully we can come out on the other side with like one really nice cohesive face on it. That's the goal. So we're just going to try to do that. We're going to let it just kind of build up. We're going to keep a nice tight little gap between the last wall and the new wall so that we don't have any little weird gaps when we're done. Just going to slowly let it work itself in. And that will be our beautiful, glorious little eggplant. Look at that. It even looks so satisfying as it's being made. All right, we're halfway there. Try to keep those lines tight. Try to keep focused on where you're going. Get a little more speed going here. Did not mean to pause it, but that's all right. We're good to go. Just another single tap and we're going again. This time I actually fully put enough purple in to, I hopefully, fill this whole thing. At least we didn't screw it up like 15 times like we did the top piece, but that's all right. It happens. It's all practice. Whenever you do one for show, though, it's better if you know you're not screwing up on it. And this one is one I wanted to actually do to be nice looking, so would actually prefer to not have a scuffed finish. But this is that weird type of art where like you're doing everything in reverse, right? So this side essentially has it doesn't matter what this side looks like, because all of the show is on the other side. So, which is weird art. It's like it's like when people do the reverse art, because like you only see the reverse side, which makes I'm already not good at art, so like thinking about how the picture looks on the other side in reverse just makes my brain hurt. Whereas I know like artist people have that ability to just know what it's going to look like. I've always admired that ability, or the ability of like seeing creation and like knowing exactly how something's going to turn out, or like being able to see what you want out of a sculpture or a painting or whatever. I've always admired that ability. I myself, I do not have it. Sorry, I feel like my voice seems weird because I'm like so bent over. I feel like I'm a bit froggy. Hopefully not, but if we are, we are, and we're coming into the final little bam, and our eggplant is completed. Ooh, it looks so good on this side too. Man, it looks so cool on both. Oh, wait a sec. Let me get in there. Let me just make sure we got a fully completed bottom here. Don't want any cracks or crevices showing. I think we're good to go. I think we are Gucci. That's it. That's it. And the big eggplant reveal. Ready? The flip reveal first. Bam! Oh, it's got like stripes on it because how it was printed. All right, let's pop it off of there. Is it cooled down? Yeah, it has. All right. Come on off in one piece, eggplant. This part always makes me nervous. Damn it. Come on. Damn, this one's like really stuck to the plate. All right, all right. We got the top, we got the bottom. Oh, there we go. She was stuck real good. Oh, I like the pattern on it. I like that pattern on it that it left. Like the stripes, the eggplant stripes. Bam, there we go. Our very own eggplant emoji. Look at that. And we got, that goes with our faces. And now we got an eggplant too. How many more emojis can I create? Real physical emojis. That one looks so cool with those stripes on it though. I really like how that came out. I think that's mission successful. We got our very own eggplant. We get the strings off of it. We got our very own eggplant emoji. I really like those lines that it came out with. I don't know why, but they kind of just accented so nice. I really like the rigid lines. It's so smooth on the front, but it left every single print line, which is kind of cool. It's a little bit thin at one end, I think. A little bit see-through right there, but that's all right. We got a full cohesive face. There's our eggplant emoji. Whoa. Is it like this? Whoa, you can't do that. Whoa. I appreciate you guys tuning in. Thank you so much for watching how I create my very own emojis in real life. Who doesn't want their own emojis from their phone? Everybody's using them all the time. Everybody's texting them. Everybody's emotions are now seen through emojis. Let's have some physical emojis. Have fun printing with your own pens, guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you want to see me do anything with my pen or figure out how to do something or try something you haven't seen, please let me know down in the comments below, and have a good rest of your day, guys. Cheers!